package. Another box. Okay, so it's at 30%, and it's saying 99 hours. I thought it said 99 percent, but it's 30%. So I gotta charge it up. Okay, I just plugged it in. Got a solar charge, extreme charge, and a overload protection, 20 amp max. This is supposed to be 1,000 watts. So I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. Six ports and a car outlet. It's at 31%. 12:49 p.m. 31%. Input is 655, and it's 34%. Okay, so this is what I ordered, the 1,800 watt, 3,300 watt surge. And I'm thinking over 1,000 watts. But this is only allowing under like the 700, because they do have a 799 watt. I think that's what this really is, because why wouldn't it go over 1,000 watts for the incoming charge? And it's so small. But this is what. Been 30 minutes. 81%. 700 in. A little bit over 30 minutes. So I really like watching TV in my RV, and I have been using this 300 watt, and the 300 watt only lasts 3.5 hours. TV is probably about 24 inches. I have those two batteries, which are about 300 watts. So I have to do a size comparison. It is a little bit bigger than my 300 watt. I was thinking it was the same size. I was like, that's pretty small for 1,000 watts. But that's 300. So maybe that is, maybe this is 1,000 in size comparison. But it, let me see. I wonder why it's not taking in. It's only taking in 711. I hope they didn't slip and give me the $799 watt for $1,000, because that's not what I wanted. And it's not saying 1,000 watt on here. It's 216. There's my little 300. Let's check on this. Oh, it's full. Okay. So I'm gonna unplug this. So the problem I had was watching TV in my RV. So this is a 60 inch. It's only a 24 in my RV. I'm gonna plug this up to the Echo. Okay, it's already on. Let's put my thing. So I just tried to power the TV on. It didn't come on. So what is it gonna do? DC. Is it? No. I gotta do power. Power again. Okay, so does it do anything back here? Oh. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now that little red dot is on. Okay, so there we go. Oh, so this is gonna make a noise. Okay.
Is this the future of RVing? Let's find out.
Videos, please hit that like button.
Just a bit.
I mean, I don't think
he hosting the Oscars, bro. He could say, I don't think we should go this.
That's his material.
Exactly.
Man, right?
That came from him.
You can hear the noise from here.
Him. You coming to act upon it tonight? Like, If that ain't
200
the most
watts is
disrespectful
cool.
thing ever, and you had an opportunity to slap the man, and you couldn't, and you still talking.
Not a color thing.
But it's because of the stigma that we already have that I would say more attention is brought towards it. And at the same time, you need to understand, you can't say everything to everybody. You can't walk up to nobody in here, mama, and say you was a blah, blah, blah,
One of the
blah.
most important features is that it is modular in design, which means that it's part of a
And look at the fucking coastline. Oh, I want it now.
I did not get to. I finished the movie. It went off. Oh. Gosh, darn it. Okay, so I was about to charge it, but knocked the power out. So I gotta go in the garage. I gotta go in the garage. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, there we go. 600 watt. I'm thinking this thing is $7.99. I don't think it's 1,000. Because why is it only letting 600 to 700 come in? I don't think that's right. Okay, we're back on regular power. I guess it'll stop making noises when it's full. It says 1 hour. I believe it. That's regular power, but it's so pretty.
Brother is a barely employed Lyft driver.
746. I was at 88%. Okay. Oh, it's at 100%. But it's still saying 348 in. So I guess it's gonna count down to 0. One, two, three, four, five. I was trying to turn it off, but anyways. Okay, so it's full.